my first 7 days using the system, I was able to make $7,200.
I made more than $3,200 in less than 45 days.
I'm making about $330 a day part-time.
In my very first week, I made $2,000.
45 days in, I've made a little over $8,000. So thank you.
In the first couple weeks of using Jeff's system, I earned an extra $8,900.
Let me ask you a question. If you could make money from home, like the people you just heard, what would you do with it? Pay some bills? Buy a new car? Take a real vacation? Well, whatever that is, get ready to do it, because you have been selected out of thousands of people to use a system that's making millions of dollars every year like clockwork. But you'll need to act quickly, because when the spots run out, this offer will be off the table. So don't leave. Watch this video until the very end. If you click out of this page, you forfeit your spot. We'll give your millionaire system to the next person in line. Did you know that if you made $2,740 every day, you'd be making $1 million per year?